Hi everyone, continue with the Python torch tensors. Today I'm gonna explain some operations with matrix. So first of all, we can show the addition of the matrix. So as you can see here, we need to import these libraries first, and then we can move on and create our tensor. So we are creating our tensor 2 by 2, and we are just adding the plus sign, and then we can see that the plus is 3113. So just one information, I don't know if you knew about this, but this allows you to separate cells so you can run the code cell by cell. So now let's move on to multiplication for a scalar in a matrix. As you may know, you can just multiply the matrix and everything inside the matrix will be multiplied by the scalar. So if you have or you need something to remind you how this is done, you can follow this link and I will put it in the description so you can read and try to understand something more if needed. And now let's continue with the matrix multiplication. Here you have to be careful because you need to use this one, that mm. If not, then you will get an error because you can be confusing with the product of this one and the product of this one. So this one is a special one, is the hard damart product that you can read here. There are two matches with the same dimension and you get the new one with the same dimension. And it's multiply one by one. This one multiply with this will get this one. So be careful when you are coding and using the product of the matrix. So in this case we run this one, you can see these results, and if you run this one is the different one, you can see they are the same dimension compared to this one. Also you have to understand how the product of the matrix is. So that's also how to access the matrix position. So it's simple, and I don't know if you have used MATLAB, but it's almost the same. So let's do this one first. We will choose run just one, say value on column, second column, oh no, second row, second column. So it's from 0 to 1 to 3, so we need to choose 1 here to be the second row, second column. And then we're gonna use this to select all the values from row 1 to row 2. As I don't know if you knew about this, but here in tensor you have to put always one value more for reading from 1 to 2, then you have to put 3. You read it from 0 to 1, you have to put 0 to 2 to actually read the two values that you want. So in this case we are choosing from 1 to 2 because you know the index go from 0, 1, 2. So we are taking from 1 to 2 and the column 2. So let's run this one. You can see we are taking 1, 1. So for this one, 1, 1 should be 21, 22. And then we are taking two values from 1 to 2 with column 2. That will be the column 3. So column 3 is 13, 23, and 33. So we are taking 23 and 33. And this is the result we got here. And the last one is like the last step I show here. But now we are changing the values. So instead of 23 and 3, we will get 0 in this example. You go here, I can put this here. Wrong. Okay, so here we are taking from the wrong column. So let's run again. So we need column 1 from here to here, but we are taking from the wrong variable. So let's do it again. Sorry. Okay. Now you can see our tensor has 0, 0, and here we're choosing from 1 to 2, 3, the last two rows from column 1. So we can put here just to make it the same. So that's all for today. Thank you. If you enjoyed, give it a like, share it. Please subscribe to the channel so I can continue doing more videos. If you have some comment or want more explanation, let me know. I will be glad to do it. See you.